This is the kicker. As I said, I'm looking to see on a daily chart, do we close below? So we confirmed above. So again, this is trying to be as unbiased as I can, guys. Regardless of me still being short, I still have to be an unbiased trader as much as I can. When we're looking at the chart, the daily, we closed above here, right? And we confirmed here. Now, again, we are now trading below. If we close here today, it doesn't negate the breakout yet until you confirm that. Then you're in trouble. Then Bitcoin's in major trouble.
Wait a minute, everyone. Welcome to Bitcoinzilla, your platform for daily cryptocurrency analysis and news. Our mission is to keep it simple. Bitcoinzilla offers engaging information that is easy to understand. Our analysts keep their eyes on the latest news to provide valuable insights via email. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Join our community of 10,000 subscribers and experience the new edge with Bitcoinzilla. Subscribe now. In this video, Gareth will share his insights on: will we close below on the daily chart? What does the confirmation above mean for the market? Despite being short, how does Gareth maintain his unbiased perspective? And the big question, is Bitcoin in major trouble? Let's join Gareth in this interview about these topics and more.
Bitcoin currently trading at 67,750 approximately. We are back below that key technical level. All right, now this is the kicker. As I said, I'm looking to see on a daily chart, do we close below? So we confirmed above. So again, this is trying to be as unbiased as I can, guys. Regardless of me still being short, I still have to be an unbiased trader as much as I can. Okay, so when we're looking at the chart, the daily, we closed above here, right? And we confirmed here. Now, again, we are now trading below. If we close here today, it doesn't negate the breakout yet until you confirm that. Then you're in trouble. Then Bitcoin's in major trouble. Now, listen, is it still okay that it's trading below 69? Well, it's not ideal. Let's be honest, right? You know, so many people, by the way, this is another lesson I learned the hard way many, many times over, is that there was this thing going on social media like, oh, when Bitcoin breaks above 69, it's going to rip up because every past bull market has just gone straight to the moon. As soon as I hear everyone saying that, I'm like, dude, it's probably going to reverse, right? When you have the masses joining all in euphoria, that's when it goes the other way. And by the way, I used to be the masses, and sometimes I am still. But it's learning that the hard way by taking so many losses early in my career that I'm like, wait a minute, maybe this doesn't actually work when everyone else is pointing it out. In fact, I still remember when we were above 70, I still remember some of the biggest young names on X. They're like, oh, you know, this is a breakout. We're going to go higher. These shorts are idiots. You know, now that we're above 70, it's all clear. And in my head, I'm like, dude, you know, you guys, you know, these youngins, right? I mean, I feel like, yeah, I'm an old geezer in this world, even though I'm only 43 years old. But I've traded for, again, 25 years, going back to basically when I was 18, 19 years old. But again, what I learned is that breakouts, things don't always happen the way they happened before. And the best traders are ones that are aware of that. And you have to be aware. And when you see a lot of these young whippersnappers kind of saying, oh, this is a no-brainer, I'm like, dude, I thought that too back 20 years ago. And I got my head handed to me in the dot-com bubble and in multiple bull markets in different things after that. I still remember being short Taser at one point and just getting crushed on it way too early and just, you know, anyways, it is what it is. But lessons learned. And again, my education, my learning, excuse me, my learning is hopefully what you guys can take away and ultimately, you know, learn from me without making the same mistakes. Okay, so the daily needs to confirm below 69.2 really. Then the weekly, I want to see the weekly close on Bitcoin.
In the ever-changing crypto market, investors juggle between profit booking and bullish trends, dealing with price changes and technical signals across different digital assets. Here's a simplified analysis of the top 10 cryptocurrencies for potential price movements and crucial support and resistance levels. Ether's rise slows near $4,000, causing profit-taking and a drop below $3,702. The fight between bulls and bears heats up near the $3,600 support level. A bounce back from this level could push ETH towards $4,000, while a breakdown could lead to a deeper correction towards $3,200 and the 50-day SMA $2,997. MinB pulls back during a strong uptrend, with traders cashing in after a significant rally. However, bulls hold firm near the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of $527.50, indicating a minor pullback. A break above $633 could lead to more gains towards $670, $692, while a drop below $527 could lead to more losses towards the 20-day EMA, $485. Solana's strong uptrend faces a possible correction as the RSI shows overbought conditions. A pullback towards the 20-day EMA, $142, could offer buying opportunities, with a rebound targeting $205. On the other hand, a breach of the 20-day EMA could lead to a drop towards the breakout level at $126. XRP struggles to break through resistance near $0.74, facing selling pressure. The drop below the 20-day EMA, $0.62, suggests a consolidation phase within a range of $0.50 $0.74. A breakout above $0.74 could start a new uptrend towards $1.02. Cardano faces selling pressure near $0.80, with bears defending higher levels. The price falls to the breakout level of $0.68, signaling a possible deeper correction towards the 50-day SMA, $0.61. A bounce back from $0.68 could indicate continued buying interest, with resistance at $0.80 and potential upside towards $0.92.
Great calls at this point, but I just want to point out, yesterday I showed you guys this chart of near. We have this level, I showed this level, and I said, guys, near should pull back. Look at the red candle. That's charts. That's charts. You know, that's astrology for men, as they say, right? All right, so let's go to Avalanche. I talked about this one yesterday. I said, all right, Avalanche, you just went up to that same sort of trend line. You should get a pullback. We went right up there, pulled back. Where was support? Previous high pivot. Where did Avalanche find support? Right there. So again, my point is just to be aware, charts by no means are infallible. They are higher percentage. Essentially what I say is you get to be the casino. When you use charts, you are the casino versus the gambler. The gambler goes into the casino, they're going to generally lose. If they play 100 hands of XYZ or whatever, you know, the casino will win more and the loser, the gambler will lose more, lose more essentially. But when you're talking about charts, you want to be the house. You want to be the casino. You want to win more than not, and that's where charts come into play. And that's why I've dedicated my life to teaching them, frankly. Okay, gold pulling back just a little bit today, guys. I only have a couple more minutes, but again, gold pulling back here just a little bit. Keep that in mind. I still think, again, a retrace down here or even up a little bit here is a good buying opportunity on that. And then silver, same thing. Silver's, again, testing my trend line here. Still hasn't broken out. But again, let's watch and see. Maybe silver does break out. It is right up against a resistance line. Oil confirmed. We know oil confirmed yesterday. All right, so it's a confirmed breakout now. Upside target is your $85-ish level. We are getting a small pullback today. But again, small pullbacks are actually healthy. It's a digestion period. Let's just say you just ran a marathon. You know, this is a marathon, right? These two up candles that confirmed. You can't just keep running a marathon. That makes you extended. That makes you likely to collapse. What the best thing to do is you're pausing, you're pulling back slightly, you're refueling, you're eating, you're getting your strength back so you can run your next marathon up. That's what consolidation does for charts. It's actually a really healthy thing. I know no one wants to see that, right? When you're in a trade, you just want to see, you know, up, and away. But the problem is when you do that, you get these big pullbacks, right? Instead, when general, and by the way, the big pullbacks, the negative of them is that emotionally they trigger things in people which scare them. The best thing to do is up and then sideways. Digest it, right? Which is a bull flag, and then you get that next move to the upside. All right.
A Bitcoin whale, known as Mr. 100, has become a topic of interest. This entity has gathered a large amount of Bitcoin, leading to questions and theories about who they are and why they're doing this. El Salvador, led by President Nayib Bukele, has made a significant move by increasing its Bitcoin reserves and transferring a large portion to a cold wallet. This marks a key point in the country's adoption of cryptocurrency. If you've been with us so far, a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for free to Bitcoin Zella for your daily news. The link is waiting below. That's all for today's crypto news. Stick around for more updates, insights, and analysis on cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more exciting content.